Unity Systems Solutions. Lenovo IdeaPad 5 Pro. The IdeaPad 5 Pro 16ARH7 is a high-performance laptop designed to meet the needs of power users and professionals. With its AMD Ryzen 5000 series processor and NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, this laptop delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks such as video editing, 3D modeling, and gaming. 1 power in, 2 HDMI 2.0, 3 USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, 4 headphone, mic combo. Processor, AMD Ryzen 5-6600HS Creator Edition, 6C, 12T, 3.75 GHz, 3 MB L2/16 of a megabyte L3. 5 SD card reader, 6 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, 7 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1. Storage 512 GB SSD M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0x4 NVMe. Chipset, AMD SoC platform. Sharp and clear visuals. The IdeaPad 5 Pro 16ARH7 features a stunning 16-inch QHD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, providing sharp and clear visuals for all your work and entertainment needs. The display also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for fast-paced games and movies. Memory 16 GB soldered LPDDR5-6400. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654 GB GDDR6. Camera FHD 1080p plus IR to F sensor. Sensors, Hall sensor to F sensor. Keyboard 6-row, multimedia FN keys, numeric keypad. Keyboard backlight, LED backlight. Touchpad, buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad, PTP, 75 by 120 mm, 2.95 x 4.72 inches. Monitor support, supports up to 3 independent displays, native display and 2 external monitors via HDMI and USB-C. HDMI supports up to 4096 by 2160 at 30 Hz. USB-C supports up to 5120 by 3200 at 60 Hz. Security chip firmware TPM 2.0 integrated in SoC. BIOS security administrator password user password master hard disk password user hard disk password self-healing BIOS. Other security IR camera for Windows Hello. Battery, integrated Li polymer 75 Wh battery, supports rapid charge express. Get 3 hours of runtime with a 15-minute charge. Max battery life. Discrete graphics models. Mobile Mark 2018 at 200 nits. 9.45 hours local video, 1080p. Playback at 150 nits. 13.57 hours. Integrated graphics models. Mobile Mark 2018 at 200 nits. 14.61 hours local video, 1080p. Playback at 150 nits. 22.97 hours. Speakers, stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Dolby Atmos. Memory, max memory 16 GB soldered memory, not upgradable. Memory slots, Memory soldered to system board, no slots, dual channel memory type LPDDR5-6400.